Hi everyone, we are Krone Technologies, and we want all drone users to fly with a purpose. We have created a mobile application that pairs to an existing drone product, and we gamify the entire process by providing AR functionality like games and challenges. We believe that through our product, we can redefine the way people interact with drones. Hi, my name is Nikhil Gargeya, and I'm responsible for strategy and finance within the company.
Hi, my name is Quentin Baumann, and I'm in charge of technology and operations.
Hi, my name is Noel George. I'm doing sales and marketing.
Hi, I'm Rishav. I'm responsible for branding and design.
Okay, so we believe that toys should be engaging and offer a buying experience. Drone assist technology assists children in learning about how to fly drones, and we strive to give our users a purpose to fly drones. So what I mean by that is not aimlessly just flying drones around, but instead they have goals and objectives, and they're able to monitor, engage their improvement over time.
So now meet Tyler. Tyler is a 13-year-old 8th grader living in San Francisco, California. He's passionate about STEM. He recently learned about drones and he's begging his parents to buy one for him. He was forced to make up his own games, like flying after his dog and flying under tables and chairs, but he quickly got bored because of how repetitive the activities were and the value of the drone appreciated over time. Tyler wants something that allows him to gauge how far he's gone in his process of learning to fly the drone. He wants something that allows him to interact with his friends. And like many other kids, he wants something that allows him to grow.
This is our solution, a mobile application. Basically how it works is the existing Wi-Fi drone is connected to our platform, and immediately the user is introduced to different AR functionality. So essentially, the phone is placed on the controller that comes with the drone, and then the user can see the AR functionality, and the AR is overlaid on the screen. And the big selling point of our app is the gamification of the entire process so that the user can learn and gauge their learning.
So with the AR technology, it's overlaid on a first-person view of what the drone is seeing. Then afterwards, there's different games to do different races, multiplayer, and different technology like that. All right, so this brings us to our competitive advantage, which can be broken down to 3 categories. First, ease of use. As you saw, our app is only 3 simple pages. It's your starting page, you connect it to the drone, and then you can fly and get to the AR. The AR technology is very easy to use. Next, multiplayer. So instead of just flying a drone alone, you can fly it with other people and engage and make valuable memories. And finally, what arguably most important is the AR functionality. So with AR, you can do your races and different things like that. But at the same time, say you were to crash your drone in AR, nothing happens. And if I were to crash my drone into an obstacle in real life, that could break my drone. Instead, it's a valuable learning experience.
There are over 74 million children in the US. And of that, 20 million are between the ages of 10 and 14. And of that, 6 million are interested in STEM. Here at Krone, we want to target those 6 million by using 3 selling techniques. Personal selling, websites, and hackathon/trade shows. Using our personal connections, we should be able to gain around 100 customers. Then using our website, KroneTechnologies.com, which is currently up and running, we will gain an online presence necessary for our audience. And then the reason why we want to do hackathons and trade shows is because once we get to over 250 customers, we plan to be switching to a business-to-business model, specifically partnering with drone manufacturing companies so we may gain even more customers.
So while doing user testing, we gained a lot of insightful feedback, and over 80% of the people that we interviewed were willing to give out their contact information to us. So here are 2 customer testimonials that we felt stood out. So for one, it's more meaningful to fly the drone through some type of obstacle as it is challenging and fun. And secondly, being able to fly the drone in augmented reality doesn't risk breaking the drone in any way, so it's really good.
So initially, we plan on selling our app to individuals. However, once we get 250 users, we plan on selling our app to businesses and acquiring at least 1,000 users. Since we're going to sell our app onto individuals, we plan on making the app free on the App Store as it incentivizes people to download our app. However, later when we sell to businesses, we're going to charge $3 for each drone they sell. Thank you. Together, we can create the future of drones.